never showed, and you know why?
He wasn't invited to the tea party?
No, because he's totally intimidated by me.
Whatever. We're going to the beach. Since you're so